So now we're interested in finding the distance from a point in space to a line in space. In the diagram that I've drawn, we want to find the distance from point Q to the line L. And distance has to be a perpendicular distance. So I'm going to drop a perpendicular from Q to L and make a right angle from between that line and our line L, and I'm going to call our distance D. So this is what we're interested in finding. We want to find the distance from the point to the line. And let's suppose that we're given the equation of a line from which we can pick its direction vector and a point on the line. So let's call our point on the line P, and the direction vector, I'm going to sketch it just right starting at P. Let's say there's our direction vector, little v. And again, we're interested in finding D. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to form a right triangle P, Q, Q prime. So I'm going to call this projection of Q onto the line Q prime, and I'm going to just draw the right triangle PQ, Q prime, and I'm going to make PQ a vector from P to Q. Now, D is the distance from Q to Q prime. That's what we want to find. Now, let's imagine also that we know angle theta between the vector that I've drawn from P to Q and our line L. In practice, we will not need to know that, but we do in order to derive the distance from a point to a line. So using that right triangle, we can see that sine of theta is going to be distance D divided by the magnitude of vector PQ, which is the hypotenuse of our right triangle. And so that gives us, if I multiply both sides by the magnitude of PQ, we have that the distance will be the magnitude of PQ times sine theta. Now, we know that the cross product between two vectors is the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors times the sine of the angle between them. So I'm going to write here that if I were to find the magnitude between our direction vector v crossed with our vector PQ, that will be equal to the magnitude of v times the magnitude of PQ times sine theta. And this is what we're calling our distance D. So we can solve for D to obtain a formula that will allow us to find the distance between a point and a line. So solving this equation for D, I'm going to divide both sides by the magnitude of V, and we're going to have that distance will be the magnitude of the cross product between the direction vector of the line and vector PQ divided by the magnitude of V. So I solved this equation for D by dividing both sides by the magnitude of V, and we knew that this quantity is the distance that I'm interested in because that's what we obtained from our right triangle. And so this gives us a formula that we can use to find the distance between a point and a line, and we do not need to know the angle between the vector PQ and the direction vector of the line. We can simply find V, the direction vector of the line, that's something that we will need, and vector PQ, which is the vector between a point on the line and the point given, whose distance we're trying to find from the line. So that is our formula for finding the distance between a